friends. Getting some of our little catfish bait going on. What we have is chicken breast and garlic powder, which has been used to work very well. The more it marinates, oh god, it stinks like garlic, the better it is. So let's hope it proves something good today. We're at Dutch Gap Chester.
Uh-oh.
Oh, and we got some top water.
Yeah, literally like right there. Nice.
Few moments later.
My name is Mr. First Catch. Slap that bitch. Yeah. Fuck him. About 14 inches. 14 inches. Oh, there he goes. Those things not going through the side. Why the fuck you doing? I'm just gonna hook you. Damn it, I got you through the eye. I'm so sorry, buddy.
Need it.